Okay, you guys. Here's the finishing product.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are testing out something new for me, individual lashes. And so I'm actually about to go on vacation. I'm going to Cozumel, and this is a huge trip for me. This is big, and I normally like to get my lashes done professionally because every girlie deserves to have her lashes done, right? It's only right. And so usually I get them done professionally, but these were free. A friend gifted these to me not too long ago, and so free is always good in my book. So this is what we're gonna go with for this trip. I'm excited because I always wanted to try this. Apparently this will last overnight, so I'll give you guys a close-up. Please excuse the nails. I'm doing the nails tomorrow, pressed on by Kiss as well. But they last overnight, and on the box it says it can last up to 10 days. So we're going to test that out today. It comes with everything you need here, the little tweezers, the individual lashes, but also a seal, a bond, and an overnight cream that helps them stay on for 10 days if that's what you wish to have. For my case, yes, because I need my lashes to look flawless the entire trip. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. But also, please excuse me. I had a little bit of coffee today. I know I'm sitting on my counter. I'm all over the place, and I'm just so excited for this trip, y'all. So, okay, let's go. Okay, y'all, so this is what they look like again. And so they have the medium size over here and the short. I like the little cat eye effect, so we're gonna go short on the inside and long along the outside. I brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna mess up somehow, I already know. I love that they have pictures on these because I'm a picture person. I would have gotten this wrong without these. So this is the applicator, and this is the bond on this side and the seal on this side. So the first step is to place the bond on the natural lashes and the inside. Okay, so I do that, and so, oh, there's also a long lash. So let's do the long. Oh, I'm scared. Let's do the long on the outside. Grab it. Oh, Lord, I'm scared. Okay. Here. Okay. I cheated. I did use my finger a little bit, but I'm gonna get better as I go, I'm sure. I would honestly be okay with just this. But let me stop. Let me keep going. So I'm gonna do 2 long ones on the end, a middle, and then a small. And I think that's gonna get me the look that I want, that cat eye look. And this is actually easier than that outside corner. This is so cool. I'm sure I can comb it out. Okay. I'll comb it out. Whatever. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see this. My hand's gonna be in the way, but we're gonna try to get it right underneath that little lash line. I got a blank. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, just a few seconds. Oh my gosh, I did that. What's the medium size? So let's do the short right here on the inside corner, and I think that's gonna give me what I want. Right? Okay, so let's do the short. Okay, y'all, that inside corner was so hard for me. It might not be hard for you, but it was hard for me. And so since this is my first time, this is the shape that I want and I'm looking for. But if you can see closely, it was hard for me to line up the base of the lashes. So I might come in and place smaller ones and overlap them on some of the gaps. I don't think you can see. But overall, this is the look that I'm looking for. Natural, but it still stands out. You know, it's still a little cat eye. Okay, you guys, I did it. I overlapped one of the lash lines. I'm not going to touch it, but I put a medium one right in between it, and I think it fixed it. I think I'll be able to comb it out after, but this is the result I got. And I'm pretty happy with it. And this is comparison to my regular lashes. So I'm pretty happy. This is so cool. And I'm pretty sure the better I get, the faster this will go. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do the whole process for this eye just so you guys can see. Y'all don't have to wait for me to do the other eye. So the next step is placing the seal on the lashes. Y'all, so after I do the seal, because I want this to last a few days, I have to use the overnighter, and this is 2 to 3 applications for a really long lasting lash. So let's do 3 applications. I hope they don't fall off because I put in a lot of work for this, so I'm so scared. Okay. I hope it dries and then I can comb it out. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. I'm gonna start working on the other eye, so, and then I'll put in the other 2 coats. Okay, let's see.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team better win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team better win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that.
Okay, you guys. Here's the finishing product. These are my lashes. And I actually really like them. And so I did use the overnight cream, the overnighter. And so I'm going to go to sleep tonight and I hope that they last. So when I wake up tomorrow morning, I'm coming straight to the camera and I'm letting you guys know if these lashes last all night. And I sleep kind of crazy, so we're gonna see. But yeah, this is them. And they're giving me exactly what I like or what I want. Excuse the gray hair. It runs in the family, y'all. But yeah, this is what I like, so I think it's really pretty. So yeah, I like how natural they look. What's really gonna sell me is if they last. So let's go to sleep and let's see. Overall, I do like them. And I think they're going to get the job done for the trip and for the content that I'm going to make on this trip. Because this trip is huge for me. This is my first content trip, my first travel vlog. So I just wanted to test this out and share this with you guys. So thank you. In case I'm tired, thank you guys for watching and your patience. As you can see, I'm tired, but thank you guys for watching and your patience. And I would definitely buy these if I was somebody looking for lashes instead of going to a professional lash artist all the time. You can do them at your own house in your own comfort, so why not? Okay, all right, thank you guys, and as always, I love you guys.